Well, I want to show about the reset button that I can't find in my Sunglaze. Here's the manual, and as you see, the reset button is up to the USB working LED indicator, and under here is the explication about how works the reset. With find bar directly to press the reset button. Okay, so that sunglasses doesn't work. I want to reset, but well, here I have a safe that I can find the reset according the manual. Here is the reset button. I hope you can see. Wow, it's a little difficult. Okay, here, but there is no button here. It's like this. There is no button here, no reset button, so I can know if this works after a reset, because there's no reset button.